These parasites aren't just irritating, they carry diseases that affect your pet's health and can even pose a risk to your family. Traditional chemical treatments often offer temporary relief and can be expensive or harsh, leaving both pets and owners frustrated. Red bugs, often mistaken for mites or fleas, are nearly invisible but cause significant irritation. Their bites cluster, leaving pets itchy, inflamed, and sometimes vulnerable to secondary skin infections if untreated. For decades, veterinarians have relied on chemical sprays and topical solutions that only mask the problem. You need a solution that works instantly, is affordable, and completely safe for your animals. The $1 powder being revealed today has been used for over a century for pest control. It's natural, effective, and works on contact, eliminating red bugs, fleas, and ticks without exposing your pet to harmful chemicals. Its main component, food-grade diatomaceous earth, comes from fossilized algae shells. Tiny and abrasive to insects, but perfectly safe for mammals, it dehydrates and destroys the bug's exoskeletons on contact. Unlike chemical treatments that take hours or days to show results, this powder starts working immediately. Sprinkle it lightly on your pet's fur, let it sit for a few minutes, and the bugs start falling off instantly. Many pet owners assume that fleas and ticks only appear seasonally, but in reality, these pests can survive year-round indoors, hiding in carpets, pet beds, and furniture. That's why treating your pet alone is not enough, and this powder can also be applied to bedding, carpets, and favorite lounging areas, breaking the infestation cycle entirely. Expensive sprays, collars, and medications often fail because they don't target every stage of the pest's life cycle. This powder attacks eggs, larvae, and adult bugs, ensuring comprehensive elimination. Red bugs are particularly difficult to control because females lay dozens of eggs that hatch in under a week. Any treatment that misses the eggs guarantees reinfestation, wasting both money and time. Applying the powder correctly is simple, but coverage is key, so focus on areas pets can't reach themselves. Behind ears, under legs, along the tail and neck. Don't worry if your pet licks a bit, because food-grade diatomaceous earth is non-toxic and even safe if ingested in small amounts. Consistency is the key to success. And while a single application removes most pests, repeating the treatment every few days ensures newly hatched bugs are eliminated as well. This powder works for all types of pets, including dogs, cats, rabbits, and ferrets, as long as it's applied carefully. Because red bugs and fleas are microscopic, infestations often go unnoticed until scratching and irritation become constant. Preventive application is just as important as treatment to maintain a bug-free home. Veterinary studies confirm its effectiveness, showing rapid elimination of parasites with no side effects. Unlike chemical sprays, this powder causes no rashes, vomiting, or discomfort for your pets. At only $1 per application, it's dramatically cheaper than conventional sprays or medications, which can cost $30 to $50 per treatment and last only weeks. That's why pet owners looking for safe, affordable solutions are increasingly turning to this method. Once the powder settles on your pet's fur, it begins working immediately to break down the bug's exoskeletons. You'll notice red bugs, fleas, and ticks losing grip and falling off within minutes. Many pet owners worry about indoor infestations, but this powder can safely be applied to carpets and pet bedding. A light dusting eliminates hidden eggs and larvae that would otherwise hatch and reinfest your pets. For maximum effectiveness, repeat the treatment every 3 to 4 days, ensuring newly emerged bugs from eggs are eradicated before they reach adulthood. Even furniture, car seats, and pet carriers can harbor pests, and lightly applying the powder in these areas drastically reduces the risk of reinfestation. Unlike chemical sprays, this powder does not emit strong fumes, keeping your home safe for children, pets, and sensitive individuals. Red bugs reproduce rapidly in warm, humid environments, so treating your home prevents infestations from multiplying silently during summer months. While some powders are abrasive or toxic, food-grade diatomaceous earth is entirely safe for mammals and only affects insects. If your pet has long hair or thick fur, apply the powder in layers, parting the fur to reach the skin and ensure thorough coverage without overdoing it. Many pet owners ask if this method works on puppies and kittens, and the answer is yes, though always use a lighter dusting and monitor for sensitivity. For multi-pet households, treat each animal individually, and shared spaces should also receive a light layer to break the infestation cycle. You may notice that dead bugs collect around your pet shortly after application, which is completely normal and confirms the powder is working effectively. For stubborn infestations, combining the powder with frequent vacuuming accelerates results by physically removing debris and bug eggs. This method also prevents secondary skin infections caused by scratching, and pets feel immediate relief and begin grooming normally within hours. Veterinary studies support the powder's effectiveness against multiple parasites, including fleas, ticks, mites, and red bugs, making it a low-cost, high-impact solution proven over decades of research. Many commercial treatments fail because they don't cover the entire life cycle, but eggs, larvae, and adult bugs all require simultaneous intervention to ensure lasting relief. Because red bugs are so tiny, infestations often appear worse than they are, and the powder's instant effect gives pet owners visible proof of its power. You can use this method alongside natural preventive measures, such as regular brushing, clean bedding, and maintaining dry environments to enhance long-term protection. The powder's effects are cumulative over a few days, and pets remain safe while parasites are eliminated completely without harmful residues. For pets that dislike powders, a small brush or cloth can help apply it gently, which encourages repeated treatments and consistent results. Unlike chemical treatments that need expensive refills, this powder costs only $1 per application, even for large multi-pet homes. During peak pest seasons, weekly applications prevent reinfestation by creating a protective barrier around your pets without the need for harsh chemicals. Parents often worry about children touching pets after treatment, but food-grade diatomaceous earth is safe for all family members, allowing pets to interact freely. The powder also helps in outdoor areas, and lightly dusting pet lounges, kennels, or garden resting spots extends protection beyond the home. If you've tried chemical sprays with limited success, this method works where others fail because its mechanical action eliminates bugs that are resistant to conventional treatments. Pets often show immediate relief after the first treatment, with scratching decreasing, fur looking cleaner, and skin irritation diminishing noticeably within hours. For stubborn infestations, combining treatments with vacuuming and washing pet bedding prevents eggs from hatching unnoticed. Applying the powder is simple enough for any pet owner, requiring no special tools, professional services, or licenses. Some people worry about inhalation, but dusting lightly and applying in a well-ventilated area completely eliminates that risk. The powder can also help in travel situations, as sprinkling lightly in pet carriers or hotel rooms protects pets from unfamiliar infestations. This $1 solution outperforms chemical sprays that cost 10 times more, being fast, effective, and completely safe when used as instructed. Veterinary feedback confirms that pets treated with this powder remain healthier, with reduced scratching, lowering stress, and preventing hair loss and secondary infections. You can even use this powder preventively, applying once a week during high-risk seasons to keep pests away before they become a problem. Long-term use does not build resistance because parasites cannot adapt to the powder's mechanical mode of action. Regular monitoring and light touch-ups maintain a pest-free environment, so inspect fur, bedding, and high-traffic areas for remaining eggs or larvae. The powder is odorless, leaves no stains, and does not harm household surfaces, keeping your home clean while your pets stay safe. Pet owners worldwide have adopted this method, with reports consistently showing near total elimination of red bugs, fleas, and ticks after repeated application. For pets with sensitive skin, start with a lighter application, observe their reaction, and increase coverage gradually for maximum effect. Some people mix the powder with small amounts of water for easier application, creating a paste that sticks to the fur while maintaining safety and effectiveness. Even indoor-only pets are at risk because red bugs can hitchhike on clothing, furniture, and shoes, making preventive treatment essential. By breaking the parasite life cycle at every stage, you eliminate the need for expensive chemical interventions and turn prevention and treatment into a single, simple routine. Regular grooming enhances the powder's effectiveness, since removing loose hair ensures the powder reaches the skin and works fully. For outdoor pets, treating resting areas, kennels, and shaded spots reduces the chance of reinfestation from soil-dwelling larvae or adult parasites. Once the treatment routine is established, maintenance becomes effortless, with a single application per week during peak seasons usually being enough. Pets respond quickly, often stopping scratching immediately, and owners report calmer, happier animals within hours of treatment. Because this method targets multiple pests simultaneously, you save money and time with no need for separate treatments for fleas, ticks, or mites. Parents love this method for its safety, allowing children to play with pets freely without any risk of exposure to toxic chemicals. For long-haired pets, careful application ensures coverage reaches the skin, so divide fur into sections to apply the powder thoroughly without overuse. Pets remain fully mobile during treatment and can walk, play, and interact normally while the powder does its work. You can even extend treatment to areas pets don't reach themselves, with furniture edges, pet beds, and carpets all benefiting from a light dusting. Consistent application ensures lasting relief, and within days, your pets will be completely free from itching, irritation, and red bug bites. Veterinary studies confirm this method is highly effective, with pets treated properly showing a 90% reduction in parasites after the first few applications. This $1 powder works mechanically, meaning pests cannot develop resistance, while chemical treatments often fail over time. Once applied, the powder continues to work for days, and any new pests that come into contact are instantly eliminated before they can reproduce. The method is also environmentally friendly, as unlike chemical sprays, it does not contaminate soil, water, or indoor air. You don't need to wait for infestations to appear, as preventative use keeps pets comfortable, happy, and completely pest-free. Regular observation ensures ongoing success, so inspect pets and their surroundings weekly to confirm the absence of eggs, larvae, and adult bugs. This $1 solution is accessible to all pet owners and represents the ultimate affordable, effective, and safe answer for red bug, flea, and tick control. Affordable, proven, and trusted worldwide, it's the one treatment every pet owner needs to know about.